Welcome, dear viewer. This is the Razer Iskur video review. The Razer Iskur is one of the more premium gaming chairs out there on the market. But is this chair comfortable for someone with back pain? How well does it support your lumbar spine? Well, today we're going to answer that question. This is the official review of the Razer Iskur. But before we get into the review, be sure to watch to the end and see why this chair exists. Also, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel, and also press that notification bell if you want to see more content just like this. Now, let's get on to the review. So this video was delayed mostly due to the fact that my chair broke. It was the metal seat plate that broke. More specifically, it broke where the plate attaches to the area that holds up the cylinder. But Razer customer service was very good in that they diagnosed the problem and sent me replacement parts right away, in which I was able to replace the plate and have a stable chair again. So Razer customer service, I hope you see this and I hope you share this video with all your friends, and I just want to say to you, big ups on how you handled my gaming chair. Now, there were times where I would go into a store and I would see the Razer Iskur on display for people to try out, and when I tried it out, I was always very impressed by how comfortable this chair really was. So when I first got this chair, I was really excited to put it together. While I really liked the Respawn chair that I had, I felt like for the first time I had a gaming chair that would last me a while, and still to this day it has held up despite the mishap that I had shortly after Christmas. One thing I really like about this chair is the aesthetic. It features green stitching all around the chair and has a black synthetic leather that feels good and feels really premium. I didn't find any fraying on the Razer Iskur. On the front of the seat you have the saying that reads, "For gamers, by gamers," which is Razer's slogan. This gaming chair really feels like an actual gaming chair that I could sit in for hours and still feel very comfortable. What I have here is the regular size Razer Iskur, which has a very unique seat design. The back measures at about 14 inches and the front measures at about 15 inches. You also have an XL option for those who have longer legs. For me, the regular Iskur works just fine, as I feel very little discomfort. I enjoy sitting in this chair for hours on end, and it is just overall a really good chair just to sit in and just play games for hours. The highest this chair can get off the ground is about 21 inches from the base. The lowest this chair can get is about 15 inches. Ideally, when sitting in any office chair, you want your legs to be at about 90 degrees or higher, because that'll reduce the pressure that is placed on your knees. And that especially goes for anybody who has arthritis or any form of knee tendonitis or has had a knee replacement surgery in the past. So definitely keep your legs at 90 degrees when you're sitting in any office chair or any gaming chair for that matter. The way you would adjust the height of this chair is by lifting the lever that is on the side. In this case, the lever is on the right side. To go up, you would lightly sit up in the chair with less pressure and you would let it ride up. To go down, you would just simply sit in the chair and pull on the lever. This will allow you to adjust the chair to the height that is at your comfort and that is ideal for your legs. Also on the bottom is the rocker lock. When this is down, the chair will not rock, meaning that it will stay locked for good for as long as you keep it there. But when it is up, you can rock in it to your heart's content. It will keep the angle that you set it at. So if you lean back, you could stay back there and just lock it, or if you want to come forward and be falling forward a little bit, you can go forward and you can lock it there if you want to, and it'll stay there and it works perfectly fine. The armrests are 4D, meaning that you can move them in all four directions. There's two buttons on the inside of the armrest. One of them will allow you to move the armrest inside and outside, left to right. That button is in the middle. Now there's a button that is more towards the front that is a little bit more flush, that when you press it, you can move the armrest forward and backward, and that will allow you to rest your arms comfortably and allow you to game for hours on end without your arms getting tired. On the bottom of the backrest is the back lever, not to be confused with the lumbar switch that is located on the bottom. More on that later. The The lever on the bottom of the backrest allows you to adjust the angle of the backrest. So if you want to lean back, you just simply lift the lever and it'll lean you back while putting pressure on it. And if you want to come forward, you just simply lift the lever and you lean forward, take pressure off the backrest, and the backrest will automatically come up for you. And now finally onto the reason why this chair exists in the first place. Min Ling Tan made this post on social media that you could see right about here. Now, he talked about how gaming chairs cause major back pain and how he got a slipped disc as a result of this. This is why Razer created this chair. And for those who don't know, Min Ling Tan is the CEO of Razer. And that brings me to the point of this chair, and that is its lumbar support. If you are someone with back issues, this chair is going to be a godsend for you, as this chair has a mechanical lumbar support system. Under the chair, there is a switch that is towards the front of the chair, and you can lift it and it'll adjust the lumbar support. It will adjust to the natural curvature of your spine, and that is why this is such a godsend for people who have upper neck issues or even back issues. And if you're someone that works at a desk all day or games all day, this chair is a high benefit for you. Also, there is something else that Razer included that I didn't think that they would, and that is this headrest pillow. The reason why I didn't think they would include it is because Razer already sells another headrest pillow that has a wider design. But the reason why I love this is because of how comfortable this thing really is. In a way, it sort of feels like a Tempur-Pedic mattress, and I love it. And it fits the curvature of my neck and feels very comfortable to just simply sit in and just relax and just game in for hours. Psych! And because of all of the lumbar support on the Razer Iskur, your spine will say thank you for the support, just as I'm about to right now. Thank you, subscribers. As of making this video, I am 2 subscribers short of 1,000. That is a number that I have been trying to reach since the start of this channel. Once again, I say thank you for watching these videos and for leaving comments as well. Whether they're love comments, or they're hate comments, or they're somewhere in the middle, I thank you so much. And may we continue to produce videos here on this channel for all of you to watch. And with all of that said, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to follow me on all the socials that are linked up down below. Also, be sure to watch the review of the Sony WF-C 700s that is included in the playlist that is linked here somewhere in this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.